Good morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Thursday, the 14th of March, 2019. We're just getting on to 9:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. Stock market down a bit. We had news that now an April meeting is the most we can hope for between President Trump and Premier Xi. And we have been talking about that. You weren't getting in the press that these two were getting any closer. They're running into problems. Lighthizer had told us that in his testimony, I think it was on Tuesday, that there were still many issues and they were still far apart. So you're getting that. How the market will react to that, not quite certain in terms of a big response. What I can tell you is gold has dropped off, silver got hit 30 cents, and the copper market down nearly what? This is a bounce already off the lows. It was down to 5 full cents. So there's disappointment there. Grain market not doing an awful lot one way or the other. The beans are sort of settling back. The wheat market's got the strength right now, almost near the highs of the day. On the energy market, we're up, but now the question is the market getting a bit ahead of itself? We'll have to watch that. Gasoline prices still very strong. Bonds and notes just fluctuating right here. A lot of articles today that the Fed's going to stay on hold with the economic data the way that it is. As I said, unnamed sources by Bloomberg say potential meeting to resolve the trade dispute moved back to at least April, and the word is at least April. Chinese industrial output, well, up 5.3% on the year versus expectations of 5.5. The February was up just about less than 0.5% for the month. Retail sales from China's automotive sector down 10% in the first 2 months of 2019. A lot of the data you get from China at this time of the year, they throw 2 months together because of the lunar holiday, so that's what you get. Germany's CPI up 0.4 on the month. They expected up 0.5. The final CPI for February up 1.5% on the year versus that expectation. Inflation stable at 1.7%. Now in the U.S., new home sales and inventory data came in down 6.9%. This is a miss at 607,000 units on an annualized rate. They were expecting it up 0.2 to 622, so that's not the greatest number. I also look here, the median home price keeps falling from a year ago. That'll make homes eventually more affordable. Import-export price headline up 0.6. Market expected up 0.4. Petroleum prices, that's part of this, were up 4.7%. Remember, the prior month they were still falling. Jobless claim data up 6,000, a little worse than the market thought. I'm going to hold my webinar today, so if you haven't gotten our invite, you're not getting it. You've got to, in order to do this now, call my staff, 866-973-2077. We start promptly at 12:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Again, call the staff. They can give you the invite. Don't call while it's going on. Nobody's going to be able to help you. So do it now. Give a call if you haven't received your invite. You're just not on our mailing list. I'm Ira Epstein. See you this afternoon with our end of the day videos.